So good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nikita ID SCSJ2400109, and today I'm here to show you my mini built-in hackathon management system. It's a very small system that shows everything from all sides. Basically, I'll show you. Not so very good at explaining, I guess. I've already ran it before, so these are all the files that is opened. And since I'm using Mac, I'm going to be starting with running the application. So let me first set up. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, it's running. I'm going to now open the GUI, such as that, and my bad. And you can see our interface has opened, and these are all the teams that we have listed on. These were given by the teacher, obviously, and we can now filter through by category, artificial intelligence and web development and mobile development here. We have everything here, and we can also, sort out by their numbers, their names, and their overall scores, and then we can refresh to get back to what we had. Now, in order to search the team, let's say we're going to search for any, search for 120. Search. This is the team that's found. It's Matrix Makers by Perseus, competing in the artificial intelligence category. And their scores are this. Overall, it's telling everything. It's showing everything. Now, in order to edit team, for you to enter, we have made I'm going to add a number, let's say 167. And team number, we can just load team if you want. Oh, sorry, not team found. Okay, team number as in 34. Not found. I mean, if it's showing invalid, it also means that it's working. So far, so. And if we already have this, let me search for a number that doesn't exist. Does 100 exist? We can try that. Or you can just, load team. Please enter team number. Okay, 100? Not found. 125? Okay, we found one. Now, we've loaded team, but, other than that, we can just do it on our own, by ourselves. Since we're AI, okay, we're at Johns Hopkins University. Now, I'm gonna add, City University. Subang Jaya. Okay, I'm gonna add this. Score, I can add anything. You know what, let's go for a high score. And we have save the change. If we want to delete the team, we can do that, obviously, from here. Now, we have this statistics page where, they're going to show everything, but not yet. We have to go to view teams and search for our team. Was it 120? 125. Here. Everything's showing up, our university name, what we're taking part in, and our scores, and the score here. And I think it's also here. It's on the top, which means we're basically winning man. Now, if we look at the statistics, here, look. It's showing the highest, lowest, and everything. Total scores, individual frequency, and all that. And, by categories, it's showing how many teams are there in each category. Now, we can either refresh or generate, but let's generate because I need to show you since this is done, we can go back to our code right here. And now, these are all saved here because I've already ran before, so you can see. Here, right here, hackathon. In the end, you can see that we have our team, highest scoring team, which is in the text report, it's going to show that it's us that we have entered. And this is the end of the report, and it's showing everything. Now, the other thing is that I didn't add it in the GUI interface, but I have added it in the console, so I can show you by running it. Let me just go back to Control C. Oh, sorry, Control C. Okay. Now we have to run the console, which is here. For Mac, we paste this, and here we are. So we have our console for which is not in the GUI because I couldn't add it. I was running out of time, but I can show you. It's okay anyway. Anyways, here. So we can display all the teams by pressing 1. Right. These are all the teams that we have. Right. Now let's enter again. Search a team by number. So let's search 126 if we have. Invalid choice, which means we don't have it. Now earlier we had entered 125. Sorry, we have to enter. We have to search team 2, which is 125. As you can see, oh no, not us. This is the one that we had earlier. So this is. I think we didn't save it, but anyways, it's showing from what we have from the earlier report. I think this is the one that we used earlier. That's why. Okay. That's that, and we have display high scoring number. I hope we did that one. Why is it not? Okay, it's okay. It's all right because we're gonna run it again. This is what it's showing. Anyways, it's showing everything. Now, in order to, I was supposed to add the new team first and then display accordingly. So if I, make a high scoring team, I can show it later on. I forgot about that. I'm tired and sleepy, but here we go. So we have to add a new team. I'm gonna add a new team here. Let's add 168. Okay, that's our number. Team name would be, Sharda Vamos. That's my old university name. University name is gonna be, UH. Hertfordshire, University of Hertfordshire, England. Oops, my bad. Let's give some. Okay, now enter which category we can choose for. Scores would be 3 and 4 and 5 and 2 and 3, and this is the overall score that we have 3.40. Now press enter. We can either edit the team, which means, let me show you. Team enters edit the number. We had 125 earlier, right? Let's go. See, it's showing that. Enter new team or press. We can now either edit on it as if we can change a few things about it, or keep a current one. So let's just keep a current one because I have to show you how to delete and save, and that if it's working. Enter new university. Red, I don't know. Update score, yes. 54535. Overall score is this. That's awesome. Now we're gonna delete the team. 8. Let's delete the one we just made. Yes. Now if we ever, search the team by its number, let's say 125, let's search. It doesn't exist because we just deleted it. Now let's just save the file. Oh, did we save the file? Yeah, we have saved the file. And exit. So there we go. Our console is working out. GUI is very well working with 4 interfaces to show all the our working things. And we have our report here, which also keeps updating as long as we save it. And so this is it. Thank you for listening.